So what's up guys, so we're now here in Lipata, so time check, so it's all about 7:49, so let's go. Karya kapoy guys. This is example of aerobic exercises. Jogging ko guys na ako sa Lipata.
These are the benefits about jogging. 1. Jogging greatly improves our heart health, strengthens our muscles, and boosts our overall stamina, helping us maintain a healthier and more active lifestyle. 2. By jogging regularly, we can reduce stress, improve our mood, and increase our energy levels, making it easier to stay productive throughout the day. 3. Jogging helps control our weight, enhances our lung capacity, and supports better blood circulation, which all contribute to long-term physical wellness. 4. When we jog consistently, we build stronger bones, sharpen our mental focus, and develop the discipline needed to maintain good health habits.
So nahuman na gyud ang 5 km, so ay 10 km day. So base akong gitak. So naman na gyud ang 10 km. So nganong gipili ang exercise because it's good sa atong heart, and also to improve our and to protect our health conditions. And I choose the exercise because aerobic exercise, or which is the exercise is this could be in line sa akong lifestyle, which is mountain climbing, running, jogging, and also I am an athlete. So for 12 years, so since wala naman ko gadula, so mo na ning akong lifestyle. So ga-jog ko para mahuyasan to get better health conditions. So it's all for today, so God bless.